Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to cancel a hosting and get a refund from SiteGround. First, visit siteground.com website, then click on Login, fill in your login credentials and hit Login again. Now, next to your profile icon, click on this little icon, click on View Help Center, go to the Contact Us page, select the category called Billing and Account Management, then Cancellation and Refunds. Select a request, for example, receiving a refund. As you can see, upon canceling a service eligible for a refund, you will see a confirmation on your screen with the exact refund amount. If you confirm the cancellation request, the refund will be issued immediately and should appear in your bank statement within 7 to 10 business days, depending on the time your bank needs to process it. If more than 10 business days have passed since you requested the cancellation and you still don't have a refund, contact your bank to double check why. So you need to cancel your service. For that, let's say that you have a web hosting service. First, go to Services from this page. I've opened this link in a new tab to keep this one open. Now we are under the Services tab. In my case, it is a web hosting, so I've selected hosting. Now click on Settings below the hosting plan you want to cancel and get a refund for. Now, next to your hosting plan, click on these three dots and select cancel. As you can see, when do you wish to cancel? You can cancel it at the expiration date or immediately. If you want to get a refund, go with immediately and hit continue. In my case, I don't want to cancel this web hosting, so I will stop at this step. In your case, just click on continue, and as you know, upon canceling a service is eligible for a refund, you will see a confirmation on your screen with the exact refund amount. Another way to cancel a service and get a refund from SiteGround is going or contacting their customer support through the live chat. To do that, just at this step, click on I need assistance, and these two contact options shows up. You can go with the calling them through phone or using the live chat. I will go with the live chat. Click on chat. This new window pops up, and now you can write them. Hi SiteGround team, I recently purchased the Grow Big hosting plan. In your case, it may be another hosting plan, so just get the name from the services page. This is the plan, Grow Big, which is currently set to expire on June. This is the expiration date. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called SiteGround Shared Hosting Explained Today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with SiteGround, how to set up your website, how to make your WordPress or website in general secure inside SiteGround, also how to optimize your website speed and performance, how to manage files and databases inside SiteGround, how to set up email, how to manage your domains and DNS, advanced tools, e-commerce setup, SEO and analytics, and also how to manage your SiteGround account and contact support. You can get all of this for free today, plus my other courses on the same platform, which are courses about other web hosting providers or other tools like this Canva tools, MailChimp, Squarespace, and let's see the page number 2. Google Search Console, Hostinger, Website Builder, Bluehost, HostGator, Namecheap. To get all of this today for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. After exploring the platform for a bit, I've decided it's not the best fit for my current project. I'm still within the 30-day money back guarantee period. Here you need to check in this refund policy. As you can see, they offer a 30-day money back guarantee for all of their shared hosting plans and only 14 days money back guarantee for cloud hosting plans. And the domain names fees are not refundable. So in case if you bought a web hosting plan and with a domain and you also registered the free domain name, they've made deduct the domain name fees from this refund. I don't know what is the exact domain name fees. Even though they call it free, a cost will still be deducted from this refund. From other web hosting companies I have experience with, for example, Hostinger, I think they deduct around $10 or something around this. Now let's go back to my script. If possible, please cancel the Grow Big hosting plan on my behalf and proceed with issuing the refund. If you bought your web hosting from SiteGround and you did not redeem or get the free domain name, you will get a full refund. My account is under the email address. Here you need to fill in your email address, and the domain I used during sign up is this one. I appreciate your help and support. Thank you for making the cancellation process smooth. Best regards, and here fill in your name. Click on chat now and you will be contacted. What I love about SiteGround customer or live chat support is the expected waiting time is almost none. This is true. I've already contacted them. Yes, you are connected to a real human directly. I think I've waited around 5 seconds or 10 seconds, but the replies are not that fast. But you will still get the job done, so that's not a bad thing. This is how to cancel hosting and get a refund from SiteGround. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.